All right, let's talk about the hot tub. Most important rule with the hot tub is that you can't use it after 10 p.m. Not our rules, it's the rules of the county, so we just have to live by those. When you get here, this cover will be on. There will be a lock that's hanging right down here. I just popped that off, but the lock code is in your information email that you receive, so you can unlock it. The water level is real important. If the water level goes down below these jets, it can cause the pump to fail, and pumps are real expensive, so we don't want that to happen. If your kids or somebody's in here and they're throwing a lot of water out, there is a hose, a very long hose in the garage, and you'll have to go out the front of the house where the only hose bib is. You'll find it by walking over near the stairs, underneath the stairs. Bring the hose all the way back up, and you can add water. Rarely does this happen, but we have seen it where the water level gets low. But you can also call the property manager if you have a problem. Okay, so there's only a couple things you'll need to do with the hot tub. One is adjusting the temperature, and that's done with the plus and minus buttons here. Don't press the mode buttons, and ask your folks that go in to not press mode buttons. That's all programming stuff, and it's really kind of a pain to change, so just plus and minus is all we want to do. You want to go temperature up, it's plus. Temperature down, it's minus. Very straightforward, okay? The jets button, we're going to press multiple times to get the jets to come on at different levels. We press once, and you get a nice gentle, jets that come out. And you can adjust where the jets and how they work with these dials that are on the hot tub. You can play with those and figure that out. More jets, press the jets button again. And finally, you can press a third time, and you get all the power going in the hot tub. Okay? We'll turn those off. Same way, press the button a couple times, jets will turn off. You're out here at night, before 10 o'clock, you press the lights button. The lights will turn on. They're not very bright right now because it's daytime. You can dim them by pressing the light button again and again. They go a little dimmer. Fourth time, you turn them back off. So again, just plus and minus. Don't want to press the mode buttons. Turn the temp up and down. Jets buttons multiple times. Lights multiple times. Thank you.